classic 1972 Mercedes-Benz 350 SL. Convertible with a hardtop also. Underneath the hood, 4.5 liter V8 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grill. There's a spot that's been touched up right here on the nose. Bright red in color on the exterior, black interior and black top. We'll put that up here at the end of the video, let you check it out. Remember, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable up to 10 years. Check out all the still pictures of this car. You'll be able to see it with the tops up, hard top on. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, a few spots where there's a little touch up or a little blemish. I'll kind of point those out as we go. Aftermarket set of speakers in the rear, as well as an aftermarket radio that is in working order. Of course, bucket seats with that 4-speed manual transmission with a shifter on the center console. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Along with this vehicle, there's another set of Mercedes wheels and tires, jack, and then there will be a hardtop stand that will go with it, so it's right there. Just have to assemble it. Easier to ship this way, obviously. It will look just like the one the hardtop is in. These are the miscellaneous panels for the underside of this hardtop, which would need to be redone if you wanted to use that at all, or maybe you just want to put it on there. To have a hardtop, either way, just letting you know the condition of that. And again, you can check out all of this in the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, 507-386-1726. A few of those little spots back here kind of been touched up from the maybe the top going on and off, but nothing too bad. Just a few little touch-ups. And a couple spots up here in the hood. You can see those. Again, pretty small. We're kind of trying to point them out for you. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay, then I'll show you the tops after that. Again, stereo is working. There's gauges are also all working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Odometer reads 9257. If that's after restoration work, has been done to this. Can't confirm or deny the miles. Once a vehicle is so old, it doesn't stick with the title anymore. It's just marked exempt. So I cannot confirm or deny any of that. Top of the dash looks good. Let's check out this seating area. Not showing a lot of wear. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Guess what you'd expect at a 72 4.5 liter. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let me get this engine or hood popped so we check out the engine bay, and then we'll be on to the tops. Here's the hood popped. There's that V8, again 4.5 liter, power steering, power brakes. There's the battery disconnect up here. Pretty stock looking underneath there. And you'll be able to see the pictures of the engine bay with all the other still pictures also. So there is that, and let's move along to the tops. Give me a second, I'll get the soft top up. We'll put that hard top on, wrap this thing up. Here's the soft top to take a look at. Fits nicely above the windshield. Black fabric. Now, it does show its age a little bit. Here's a little spot there. And then this one back here, which you could try to fix up from the inside if you just wanted it temporary to keep you out of the sun, or quick garden variety shower. But how many times has this car probably been driven with the top up? Not a lot. And then of course we have the hardtop too, and we're gonna put that on here at the end of this video after I pause it a second so we can check that out too. So give me a chance to get that on, check out the hardtop, and we'll wrap up this video. And last but not least, the hardtop on. So again, nice tight fit above the windshield. Paint, bright work show well on this. Rear glass window, of course, with the defog. '72 Mercedes-Benz 350 SL, convertible with the hardtop. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Remember, this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable, and we can assist with transportation. We do offer financing, and absolutely will consider trades. Give us a call.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Mercedes 350 SL. Our left blinker indicator does work. The right one does not stay blinking. Our tachometer is working. Our speedometer is working. Oil pressure is showing 45. Temperature 175. And the fuel tank is showing just under half. Goes nice and straight down the road. It's a smooth ride. There's no shakes or vibrations. We got Van Halen on the radio and it's sounding alright. There is some wind noise from the seals on the doors against the top and that sort of thing. There's no headliner. Seems mechanically sound. It runs good and starts easily. Brakes work great. Corners as you would expect. Great looking old 72. Bright red. Manual on the center console. Check this Mercedes out at uniqueclassiccars.com.